Yo guys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. As you can see, this is the all-new Harley Davidson Pan America adventure bike, first of its kind. In this video I will talk to you guys about the Pan America rear to front, top to bottom, and I will explain the infotainment system, all the buttons, all the special features and quirks this S model has. S stands for special. First quirk. And before we go over some quick facts, let's start it up and you can hear the sound. And in case you're wondering, it does have a soft rev limiter. Yep. So first thing up, this is a 1252 cc's, 8-valve liquid-cooled Revolution Max twin engine. Good enough for 152 horsepower and 127 newton meters of torque. And the total weight of this Pan America is 242 kilograms. Now that's 7 kilograms less than a BMW GS Adventure. Gas tank, 21.2 liters. There is no frame underneath the engine. Harley Davidson and Brembo co-developed these brand new braking calipers. These are the new radial monoblock 4-piston calipers, 30 millimeters wide, with dual 320 millimeter discs in the front and 280 millimeters in the rear. And all the instrumentation and infotainment is displayed on a tilting 6.8-inch TFT touchscreen. It tilts. It doesn't tilt a lot, but it does tilt. And it's got, of course, a touchscreen, but remember, the touchscreen only works if the bike is not moving. So if the bike's moving, it won't work. You can also use the handlebar to get through all of your menus, and the display also supports infotainment using Bluetooth connected to your phone. And I did not connect my phone yet, but the navigation is also free using the Harley Davidson app for iOS or Android. And of course, the new Milwaukee Adventure weapon has all the cornering safety enhancements. So if that rear wheel starts doing funky stuff, well, Harley has got you covered. This includes combined braking, ABS and cornering ABS, traction control, an electronic slipper clutch, and hillside assist. As for the basic riding modes, you have road, sport, off-road, and rain. And another safety feature in the front is the day maker. Yep, they call this the day maker. So it's a giant LED bar, and if you're taking corners and it's getting really dark, this LED will enlighten just the entire road. And it's not an on-off switch, it's like very smooth. It shines harder and softer. It's not just on and off, it's like zoop. Yeah. Running you guys through some quick facts. Cruise control is standard. The aluminium gas tank, as I said in the beginning, it looks narrow, but it does contain 21.2 liters of fuel. The windshield is adjustable in 4 positions. You just pull this lever and here we go, down and up. Works fine. All lighting is LED in the rear and of course in the front. The saddle height is optionally 870 millimeters or 895 millimeters. So if you want to adjust the seat, pull it in. And you can simply adjust your seat by putting it in there or a little bit higher. And I am 1 meter and 76 centimeters. Gonna run you guys over the S version in a second, but this one has the double, here you go, the double standard. It also has a flimsy side standard, but that's okay. I'm gonna put it on the little stand so I can get on if it's like standing on the road. So it's pretty easy to get on. Throw it up straight and like my toes are touching pretty firmly. It's in the lowest stand, by the way. So yeah, it's not, it could be a little bit lower, but you know, it's an adventure bike, so gotta do it with that. Get back off, here we go. So pretty easy to get on and off. Always using the double stand here on the grass. Here we go. And if you're thinking like, god dang it, that bike is a little bit too high for me, you can get an optional suspension, a semi-active suspension. So when you stop at a red light, the bike will drop about 4 or 5 centimeters. And when you start riding again, the bike will go up. As for the colors of this beautiful specimen, we've got a vivid black at €0. We have the Gauntlet Grey Metallic, that's a 275 euros extra. We have the Deadwood Green, and as last one, we have the Baja Orange Stonewashed White Pearl. But that's another 600 euros. And now I will run you guys through a couple of quick facts that only the Special has. The Special has the double bike stand. The only problem is if you eject that one, then yeah, it won't go back, so I'll get a quick rear adjustable pedal for if you're going off-road and you need to stand up a lot. Going back on the road, you can just pull it and it gets in the lower position. I tried it, works perfect. Crash protection for if you go full send and it doesn't work out as good as you hoped it would. Underplate protection, steering damper, and heated grips. Gotta have those heated grips. And last but not least, you can even get crazier tires, wire wheels and tubeless tires. So for the real off-road specialists, you can get like wired wheels, bigger tires, and a lot of extra boxes on top of that. And for an adventure road bike, I gotta say, it is really fun to ride. It has more than enough power. It's very stable off-road. If you want to see me riding this thing off-road, I do an off-road video as well. I will put it in top of this corner, or maybe the corner over there. I'm not really sure. I think it's that corner over there. A POV drive with my GoPro on. I'll talk you through it, or a little wilder drive. So I have two different driving styles. A little slower, more torque, less torque, driving harder. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description as well, and something up here. But overall, I really love this bike. It's a little bit high, just a little bit. I would get the optional suspension for adventures off-road, so I can put it down a little bit more and have my feet more balanced on the ground. But as far as that, I mean, shifting is great. Gears, engine-wise, 1250 cc's, again, 150 horsepower, 127 Newton meters of torque. It really packs a punch. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned anything. And if you have more questions about this model, let me know in the comments below. But also let me know what you guys think, like the front, how it looks. Let me know in the comments. Did Harley make a mistake building this, or did they find gold going into the adventure segment? Let me know in the comments. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Really hope you guys liked it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.